Did I mention you can stay here up to 14 days for free? And you might just want to in some places. It's really pretty. I've been keeping my eye out for a moose or a deer or really anything. Haven't seen anything yet. Well, we'll keep looking. I think I found the other 3 waterfront campsites. You're not getting an RV through here, but we'll take the bike through here and go check it out. Yeah, see, I don't know. There's some big holes in here. Not to mention how wide the trail is. Your RV or your car is just going to get tore up through here, sides and the top. It's still pretty. Maybe you want to do some tent camping. Bring your little Subaru through here and camp in your tent down this way. Otherwise, I kind of like my spot. Yeah, see, big old puddles of water. Oh well. And there we go. Site 1 right there. And if the bugs will get out of my face, I can't even outrun the skeeters around here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You know how some people just say the mosquitoes ruin the whole camping experience? They are flat out biting the heck out of me out here. You see them all? I'm gonna run. Anyway, this is the, ow! He just bit my ear. This is the beach. Pretty, right? Oh my, ow! Oh my gosh, they really bite hard. I'm out of here. Quite possibly the meanest mosquitoes in the country. That hurts when they bite. All right, back to my campsite here with the citronella. Mosquitoes around this. We had a couple crazy people come through late last night, about 8 or 9 p.m. They must have been doing 50 miles an hour on this dirt road. It was, I thought they were gonna die. I thought they were gonna turn their trucks over and die. And I brought out the cones, and although I don't have any examples to show you just yet, it's weird because people will drive down the road, and then again, a visual, bright colored cone, their brain just tells them to slow down and act and just be confused. Why are these cones here? Let's just go slow and take it easy. Then they get past the campsite and there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not blocking the road. I am just putting cones out on a line right next to my campsite, and it's funny how that works. This is day 3 for us out here at the Flagstaff Lake free campground, and yesterday was just kind of a washout. Today it rained till about maybe 3 p.m. and that's when I came. Actually, I tested out my new lens. So some of the clips you saw in the beginning of this video were shot with my new image stabilized 75 to 300 millimeter zoom lens. And so it looks like it turned out pretty good. I just stood out here with an umbrella over the camera and lens to get some of those shots. But yeah, otherwise I kind of just like filming when it's nice. You know, just to change things up. Oh, I really like this place. Gonna rank it up there in the top 2 so far for free campsites in the state of Maine in the summertime. Well, the rain and thunder just started up again, so maybe some indoor activities. That's right, coffee at night. Like the sound of the rain. You guys have been asking about this logo. What's going on with this? Can you see it says Nomadic Fanatic on the side there? Yeah, this is an original. Well, the finished product was actually designed by my girlfriend. Okay, more on that later, but here's the first design. I love RV hookups. This was my first design, which has just got a lot going on, and the new design which Suzanne made, is this one, which has more of like an 80s feel, a little less going on. It says, I love hookups, but it's got the two RVs in there hooking up, and it says Nomadic Fanatic in smaller writing. This is new merchandise for the Nomadic Fanatic channel, guys. So if you want to get your hands on a limited edition t-shirt in different colors and sizes, there is a link in the video description below that'll take you to Bonfire. I've had great success with Bonfire, but this is going to be a very limited merchandise deal. This is not something I stockpile up, as you guys have remember from the past. We do the original design, we do it for a limited time, then that's it. Bonfire ships them all out internationally from their office, so it saves me the time of packaging that up, and it just works great way to get it out. So definitely get your I Love RV Hookups merchandise in the video description below. If you can't afford to get merchandise right now, I understand that. It's totally optional, guys. Totally optional. My YouTube videos will always remain to be free for you to watch as long as you'd like, and I will continue to put more and more work and effort into the channel to make it as best it can be. So thank you for your support, guys. And now we'll back up, because everybody's probably like, wait, Eric, did you say girlfriend? That's right, and I'm sharing that with you for two reasons right now. One, Suzanne and I have been getting to know each other for the last couple months, so this is not something new. This is not something that just popped up, and I want to address this so that later, in case she decides to be in a video later, or maybe travel with me a little bit later, it's not going to be a surprise to you guys, because I will have already have introduced her and said that she means a lot to me, and I'm looking forward to getting to know her more and to see how this works out. So just letting you know, I am off the market. I have a girlfriend, a lady friend. Okay, and she's awesome, don't worry. But whether or not she'll appear in my videos, I don't know. For right now, my videos will not change at all. It'll still just be Jax and I traveling around the country, so don't worry about that. The rain, you gotta understand, I'm from the Northwest, so I'm used to the rain. I actually don't mind it in small little chunks. But back there, you know, it just rains and rains and rains all the time. And I'm not gonna like dance around in the rain if I don't have to. I got an RV, I can come inside and I can stay dry, and I have lots of indoor activities. I got my PS4 and my PS2. I've got my Nintendo 64 system with all the games. I can watch Netflix, and well, I can't watch Netflix here, but you know, movies and stuff. And one of my favorite things to do on a rainy day is to play Guitar Hero for the PS2. I have mentioned that I have every game on my console that they came out with. You want to go first? You know? Okay. I'll go first. You can go second. You're afraid of this guitar, huh? It makes loud noises and you don't like it. You want to bite it? You can bite it. Not the cord though, please. Anyway, guys, hope you have a good night. I am going to close this video out. Just want to thank you all for watching the channel. Again, merchandise, limited edition, it would really help me out, guys. If you're interested in the I Love RV Hookups t-shirts, in the video description below, as well as stickers. If you can't afford one, or that's not some way you want to contribute, there's one thing you can do every single day. Every video I make, it's really easy. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's a perfect way to show your appreciation of the channel and the travels and the work that we put into the channel. And that's to give me a thumbs up on the video and leave a comment below and say, hey, Eric. Thanks, guys, for watching. Again, we'll see you in a couple days. Bye-bye.